What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will talk about how to fix no audio issue, or we can say no sound in Windows 11. What are the methods you have to use to fix this problem? But before going further, do not forget to subscribe this channel and select all to the bell notification. Give a thumbs up and leave your feedback in the comment section. Let's move on to the methods you have to use. First method is the troubleshooting. Click on the Windows icon. Click on the settings. Here scroll it down and you will see a troubleshooter, and click on other troubleshooter. Here you'll see the list of options. You have to select playing audio and click on run, and it will start running and it start detecting the problem. And make sure you check the volume level. The volume shouldn't have to be mute, because a lot of the users who ask me to help me with it, I told them to check the volume level, is it mute or it's 100%. So they usually keep the volume to mute, they never unmute it. So that thing you need to keep in mind. Unmute it and check the icon first, that is it unmute or it's on mute, and afterwards go with these methods and the steps I'm explaining you. If you are using a headphone in which you are facing the problem, then select this one. If you are facing a problem with a speaker, then select this one and click next, and it's gonna start troubleshooting. And yes, open the enhancement. To make sure that any of the enhancement is not selected, click on disable all enhancement and click on apply and OK. Now close it. If this is not helping you to fix the problem, then you can go with the driver manager option as well. You can simply do a right click on Windows icon and click on device manager, and you'll see device manager in here, all the drivers. Click on the sound, video and gaming control, and click on this arrow, and you'll see the driver of high definition audio driver. Do a right click, click on update driver and search automatically. If it shows that it's already installed, then you can search from update driver on Windows as well, and it's gonna search some of the information from here, or you can go with the other option as well. Do the update driver again and click on browse my computer from the driver. Let me pick from the list of available driver and select the high definition audio and click next, and it says installation this device driver is not recommended because Windows cannot verify that it is compatible with your hardware or not. For now, just check that is it working or not. Afterwards you can change it as well. Click yes, and it's gonna install, and close it and check the audio. I'm pretty sure if you'll follow this process, this will surely help you to solve the problem. If not, then you can leave the comment below. I'll definitely try to help you out with a solution. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.